Good morning, everybody. I don't know if you can hear me. You can only see Celine. Celine, you're live. I'm not. I think. Did you stop the stream, Damien, or what do you do? Hey, we're back live. We're back live. What? All right, there we go. There we go. Nice. All right. Good morning, everybody. We're here. It wouldn't be it wouldn't be a London stream without some tech issues. Okay. So, chat. Let's hear it, guys. How are you doing? How are you doing? How was your weekend? What did you do? Anything fun? I mean, right now we're lucky because we're still in consolidation here. Nothing happened so far in the markets. But good morning, Celine. How are you doing? Sheesh. Hey, 1 second. Sorry, they can't hear you, Celine. Apparently, Damien, you might want to fix that we can hear Celine because apparently she's muted. But I'll take over in the meantime. So chat. Let's hear it again. How was your weekends, guys? I see Gary, horrible day Friday, rough so far today. Yeah, I actually checked in on the leaderboard on you, and I saw you fell down. This is not good. Oh no, I'm a Robonick. Oh, come on, man. Come on, Robonick is back. Nice. Well, as long as you can hear me. I don't know. We're fixing it in the background, guys. So hopefully that sounds better soon. But as long as you can hear me for now. If it's a mad echo, is it like an echo so bad that I shouldn't speak, or is it an okay echo? Let me know really quick. Carl says mad echo. Nice. Let's see. It's okay? Okay. Cool. I sound like T-Pain. Nice. All right. Yeah, then some people say so bad, some people say not too bad, some people say now it's good. All right, cool. All right, perfect. Let's get going. If we can go to my screen really quick, please, then I'll walk you through NQES and then gold, and let's see what we're doing. So basically, obviously, as you've already seen, chat, I hope you've seen it. We did have a little overnight gap here. We opened at the 25,320 level, closed on Friday at 25,227. So we did have about a 100-point gap, tapped into it, but didn't fill it completely yet. So this should be interesting. On the daily chart, look at this. This is like it was an ideal candle 2 closure on Friday. We tapped into this quarterly open level that I was talking about the entirety of Friday, tapped into it, and then pretty much pushed up super clean V-shaped recovery. And today so far have expanded. We made a shallow wick to the downside, so I do expect further upside here. Next significant level for me is going to be that 25,590 level that I marked last week already on Friday or Thursday. Can't even remember. But that's certainly the next area of interest to me. We could move down a little bit first to grab some liquidity, especially because looking at London, right, we have been consolidating for the last like 4 or 5 hours, which I like. So for me, what I'm looking for right now is actually move lower, grab this liquidity down here, and then move higher. Let's see if we get that. So far, we are moving in that direction, but let's see what the day brings. ES is pretty much in sync right now with NQ, also forming the same kind of range. The London range so far, if we look at this, is on NQ. Yeah, only 11 points, so nothing much has happened. Still waiting for any major moves, which is yeah, normal. Let's see what we can get. Now, let's see, Celine, if we can hear you from now.
Yeah, testing. Can you guys hear this? Has my AI fixed itself? Hello?
Let's see. Got to give them a couple seconds to react.
Let me know, guys, if you can hear me. Testing.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, Peter
All right,
says
nice.
yes. Awesome. So I don't know if you guys heard, but I am back in Bali now. So this is why my location looks completely different in the background. But as we look at the charts here, I can see that already we have quite a small range on the day. We've swept previous day high. So for me, I would love to see lower prices today, but I know overall I'm still bullish on the higher time frame. So the fact that we swept this level back from Wednesday, the 22nd of October, this low that we made on the daily. So I was interested to see how Friday closed, and the fact that we swept that level, closed back in, and left it as a sweep and not a close below tells me that we might be seeking higher prices here. So if we drop down now to the hourly, it still looks like we have made this V-shaped recovery. But for me, I'm looking to these bearish FVGs to the left here, and I'm interested to see whether we respect or invert these. And for now, we are continuing to respect this level and this bearish FVG on the 1 hour. So potentially, if I do get a sweep of the previous 4-hour high today, which is this level at the high being 25,503.50. If we can get a spike into that, a sweep, I would be happy to be taking shorts in this market. And this also confirms because we are currently respecting the 4-hour FEG to our left here. So that's what I'm looking for today. And of course, according to the model, I will only enter shorts if we get that sweep along with the sweep on the 15-minute. And then a 1-minute inversion. So I will be keeping an eye on those levels for the session.
You know what's mad? You know what's mad? Since the open yesterday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, gold has not had a single red hourly candle. Gold is pumping like crazy right now.
Jeez,
Went from 4,007 to now 4,090. It's pretty sick. Could get some.
Should we just full port and long gold, guys?
Well, this is not the best entry right now, but
no. Well, I mean, anyone who's still in the cup, how are you guys going? As I know the leaderboard's changed around a bit, but how are you guys doing? Anyone trade this massive gold move?
11 twice says thank you for your 100% non-human market analysis.
Anytime.
Reflex Media says I never trade London session on Mondays, but good luck to you guys. Well, appreciate you being here anyways. That's good. Scratch your itch trading, 196th place. Nice. Keep it under the top 200 and you're good. Also, chat, we need 390 likes today on the stream to do a 50K growth account giveaway. So make sure you smack that like button's face. Get us to 390 and we're going to do 50K growth giveaways.
And Cheeseball says he's ranked 58. That's crazy. Keep going. That's awesome.
Nice. Yeah, that's sick.
Really good.
NQ is making that move lower now. Let's see if we sweep the bottom of the range. That would be nice, actually. I'm looking for a sweep of 25,455 and then move higher. That would be ideal for me.
Okay. If we I would ideally love to short into that level and then you take the longs off it, but
do it.
If I don't get a sweep, I can't enter, so we'll see.
Let's do it.
Although we do, oh no, that's gold. I just realized I've got gold. I was looking at gold 4 hourly and seeing that we swept the previous, but no, ES hasn't. Never mind. What is the chat saying? Darth Linux 656 place, but started just Thursday. Wow, that's not bad. So you're still in the running. I mean, from just starting last Thursday, that's a good result.
Thanks, Joker. You look beautiful today.
Thanks, Joker.
How was it, Joker, seeing the Northern Lights? I still want to do that.
Oh, jealous.
Yeah,
I'd love to do that.
You saw those yesterday.
Was it a clear sky?
It looked clear. He sent me a pic.
Oh, jealous.
It looked nice.
Okay, Roki's looking for longs. So Rocky, you're looking at a sweep into the bullish FEG in the 1 hour and then longs off that. I could see that.
Yeah, I'm also looking for longs. Exactly the same as you, Roki. That's sweeping this range. Range low is literally the bullish fair value gap. So we're looking for the same thing right now. We're looking for the same thing.
You know, the funny thing about my system is that if we do sweep the previous 4 hour low, I could be in longs with you guys as well. Because we haven't actually we haven't swept anything yet. So the 4 hour low is 25,430. So if we get all the way down there, I could definitely be in longs today also.
And we're almost there. We're only 10 points away now.
Let's see.
10 points away. Nice push down is exactly what I've been looking for. Just want to sweep it and then push higher. That would be nice. Damn, strong push. ES already took it out. So ES took out that range low. Now let's see if NQ follows.
It's also daily open, that level there on ES.
Wait, what?
Oh, midnight open? Not daily.
Oh, no, but on ES that's at 6788. It's way lower.
Wait, but I have midnight open marked there. Is that wrong?
Oh, midnight open? Well, I'm talking 6 p.m. Eastern.
Yeah. No, that's midnight open. Sorry, my bad.
I'm always looking at 6 p.m. Eastern when the market opens in general.
Yeah, that's much
Come
lower.
on, NQ, give me the sweep. Do not reverse here. Please.
And I don't know if any of you guys saw in the news overnight or what's been happening with the US government shutdown, but it looks like they might be coming to some sort of agreement today, or at least tomorrow in the next couple of days about this voting and the bill, all that madness. So hopefully we have some CPI news this week.
Yes,
finally.
please. My favorite day of the month.
Give us that news.
I need CPI day, please. I already spoke to Nick, background Nick, and asked him, what are we going to do if there's no CPI? And he said, we're going to sit in the corner and cry.
I know. What is life without CPI? Has it been like 2 months now?
No, there was CPI on the 24th of October.
Oh, so, okay.
They just delayed it. You know, usually it's in the middle of the month, and then they did it at the end of the month.
Yeah.
I mean, it could be that it gets pushed back as well. But I just want my CPI day. I'm going to be a happy kid. It's like Christmas Day, you know? but every month.
I will call the US government and tell them, Nick.
Oh, that's very
You
kind
need your CPI. You need your CPI.
Yeah, Andrea, I saw that Trump announced some free money for the people. $2,000 stimulus check. I think that's some stupid shit. But
yeah.
I saw another guy post a stat. If you would have taken the $1,000 stimulus check from COVID and put it into Bitcoin, it would be 21K today.
Oh my God, that's insane. Also, during COVID in Australia, the government was giving out money like it was nothing. I'm pretty sure we were something like 800 a week. I think everyone was earning, but I mean, just like for doing nothing. But
okay, so it wasn't earning; it was just given.
Oh, just given. Sorry, not earning. It was like just on top of just getting sent to our banks. But yeah, just
you
imagine investing that. Pardon?
Did you receive that too?
It was anyone that was out of work because of the COVID shutdown. So pretty much everyone. I think the only people working during COVID was the essential care workers, which was like obviously the nurses, any of the medical staff, things like that. But yeah, I mean, for me, I didn't love COVID in Melbourne. We were shut down for so long.
Yeah, let's not even get started on that topic because I'm gonna start raging.
Yeah, let's not start.
Graffiner in the shorts. Ooh, okay. I'm looking for longs. Looking for a sweep of this 55 level and then higher. But I could be wrong.
We definitely could get down there.
I mean, we're almost there. We're literally 4 points away. Just give me the sweeperton. 2 points away. Come on.
Where's your TP at, Graphene? What level are you trying to get to?
Choker says never ever fade graphene. Well, you guess what? I am gonna fade.
Polo, I'm not in a trade. No entry for me.
Gary says down 5,500. This market is screwing me. I'm assuming you're talking about your Grand Cup account.
Damn. But you're still in the running though, Gary, right? Let's have a check on the leaderboard.
I'll check it. One
You
sec.
got it?
Leaderboard. Let's see. Yeah, he's still fourth.
Yeah, let's go. That's still good.
But it could be that he's in a losing trade right now and he hasn't closed it yet. So if he's down 5K on a trade right now, I don't know. Ooh, Matt is now ranked 6, and he didn't even trade. That sucker. He did the right thing. He did the right thing. I should have stopped trading when I was there.
Was that on Friday?
Would have. Welcome to trading. Oh no, NQ, don't turn around here. Come on. Well, we did sweep on ES, so we could see this as
divergence.
But Choker says, if you're down 5K, Gary, add Source. Trust me, bro.
Gary says down 2,500 on my current trade, swinging it though, so not a hard pullback for my target. Okay. So Gary, you're in longs or shorts at the moment on your swing trade?
He's in a long.
Oh, he's in longs. Okay. Oh, well then I think overall you should be sweet on the longs. I think this is just a small retracement, honestly.
Yep, it's a retracement we've been waiting for. We've been waiting for this all life. That's not true.
Finally.
Imagine you would have longed gold up there at 90. Whoopsies.
Oops. What's it doing now?
83.
Oh, disgusting.
It gave you the sweep, though, that you're looking for your shorts, actually. You're looking for it on NQ, but it happened.
I can see that. Should I just take my first gold trade on the live stream today?
On your eval? I mean, just size accordingly.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's probably just like 1 mini on gold, I think.
I would not trade 1 mini on gold if I were you.
Oh, no?
1 mini is $100 a point.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right.
Like 5x the size of NQ. Obviously, it doesn't move as far, but still, like one mini can wreck your account in seconds sometimes.
Yeah, that would set me back a lot because I'm only just in profit on the eval, so I would hate for it to.
So how much?
Maybe
okay. How much do you need on your eval?
I need still like 8,000. I think I'm only up close to 1,000 on each eval. So
you still have $5,000 in drawdown or what?
No, I'm up on the
Yeah, but do you have $5,000 of drawdown available?
Oh yeah. Okay. On the evals,
then you could technically trade 1 mini on gold. Then you could.
I feel like
Milo, should I go long on NQ? No, not yet. I'm looking for longs, but I don't have the entry model yet. Still waiting. Leah, oh shit, Leah. Good morning.
Morning, Leah.
You were in an ES long. Wow. Let's see. Oh, where did Celine go? Oops. Chat, my AI is lost. My AI is gone. What's up, Suriluki? She just dropped out. Damn it. Seems like Bali internet went out. AI is turned off. Gotta go full human mode again. Let's see. Patrick says I ran out of credits. Yeah, VO3 credits are done. Joker, don't give her stupid ideas, man. Chat, anybody in trades? I know Graphene is in shorts. Dominic, the like goal is 390. So if you haven't already, smack that like button's face. Smack that like button's face. Jobs, nope. Read the FAQ, please. Everything is in there. No, Celine, you're gone. You're not even in the Video Ninja room anymore. You have to rejoin. You're gone. Oh, there she is. She's back. Well, you're not plugged in yet, so they can't hear you yet. But you are. I see you in the background. Well, happens. As soon as our producer puts you back on screen, I'm gonna tell you. Now, well, you're actually gonna see it, but you're gonna see it. Or can chat already hear her? Chat, can you hear her? Damn, man, you don't do it here. Fuck you. We need to trade ES then. We need to trade ES. No, they can't hear you yet, Celine. I said, let's see. Mr. Producer needs to plug her in, please. Yeah, ES might be a nice long here once we have a 30-minute candle closure, because we did sweep the range low on ES, but we didn't do it on NQ. Oh shit, it's double Nick now. What's that? What's that? Double Nick in the house. Yeah.
Okay. This is just Nick and a black screen. Oh, they see me. Oh no. Keeps doing these random tech glitches. I don't know.
It is all Celine's fault. Well, Nick Trader, maybe we're both AI. I don't know at that point, honestly. But this is turning into a nice long, guys. This is turning into a nice long. Come on. ES, though. I'm going to trade ES.
Also, we had
I
SMT.
still think they can't hear you, Celine, by the way.
Oh.
You're not plugged in on the scene in the back end. I can see it.
Okay. I'll just be quiet.
Andrea, yeah, I'm going to wait for this 30-minute candle closure. We have a change in state of delivery already. Actually, not true. We don't. We need to. I think you're back now, Celine.
Oh, hey guys. I was just saying, it looks good on ES because we did have that SMT divergence at the lows there. So if you were to take longs, I think ES looks better, in my opinion.
Yeah, ES looks much better. Now we have an echo. Okay. Nice. Celine is echoing. Okay. Yeah, then I'll just tell AI Celine to be quiet.
It's my my AI sound is coming out. Just tell her to shut up.
Shut up, Echo Celine.
Still an echo?
Let's see. At least she's back, guys. I'm looking for longs on ES. If, as said, I'm still waiting for this 30-minute candle closure. But if we enter this, I mean, this has room. This has a lot of room. This is going to be very interesting, chat. Very, very interesting. Fun with folds. Yeah, I'm getting sun kissed. I'm actually getting sun slapped right now. This is not even a kiss anymore. Let me actually turn the lights down. This is better.
Hey guys, let me know if there's still an echo, by the way.
No, I think you're fine now.
Okay, cool. Well, hopefully that's it for the tech glitches. Unhandle it.
This is going to be a proper, like, I think that we're going to have like a 10-point stop on ES on this trade, but it's going to be a potential very, very nice trade. Let's see.
So you're waiting for the 30 to close, right? You get that?
Yeah. 1 minute and 45 seconds to go.
Nice.
We're going to risk like $1,000 on this trade.
Damn, is this on the 0 to hero?
0 to hero and my funded account. The 150K growth. But this is A+. This setup, so clean.
Also, I feel like if it is going to go that level at on ES at 843.50, that's definitely the next high. I feel like it could go all the way to before having another pullback. Like it's just clean range, it looks like.
Yeah. Ideally I get like an entry at 803-ish, but I'm most likely going to market order it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm going to do if the stop is too large, which it seems like it's going to be, I'm just going to go in with one ES mini and then I will add into it if we come back down to change the state of delivery. It's rare that I do that, but on an A+ setup where my stop would be too big, that's pretty much the only time I do it. But I do it with a plan already in mind. It's not like I'm just adding randomly. I know right now already where I'm going to add into this. But I do not want to miss the initial move here if we get it. So 1 mini it is on ES. Entering this in 6 seconds. All right, we're in this. 1 mini. Stop below the swing low. So stop is actually at 95.75. And entry was 804.50.
Nice.
And there is room, as said.
Yeah, for sure. It breaks out of this range now. I feel like we could just see Nasdaq pump yet again. I'm staying cautious. I'm still seeing how we reacted the previous 4-hour high, and then I shall see if I get the short. But if not, I will not be. I'll try not to fade you. I will try.
Let's see. Let's see.
Gary says, just don't blink, Celine. I've noticed if you blink, you have tech issues. Okay, Gary. So should I just stay like this the entire stream?
Just never blink again. What's your problem?
I will try.
You're AI. You can not blink.
I even just tried that for like 2 seconds. It hurts.
Wow, 2 seconds.
It's hard. Nice. Leah's in the longs too, above VWAP now. A little pissed she took my SL before pushing up. I hate when that happens, but nice that you re-entered, Leah, and you didn't hesitate. That's awesome.
What's VWAP? I only know BPAP.
Oh, sorry guys. We call it Bebop around here. I forgot. Bebop.
Hey Leah, we're always on Twitter usually. Mr. Producer, might want to double check that we're streaming to Twitter as well, not just YouTube.
Leah, you should know that. You've been around long enough. Beep up.
Well, Leah, it's not me streaming right now, so I can't change the settings. Our producer has to do it. Also, Celine, you're not sharing your screen right now.
Oh. Give me 2 seconds.
My AI still has some bugs, guys. Sorry.
We're good. We're good. It should be up now.
All right, chat. Reminder: we are in an ES long right now. Entry was 6804.50. Stop is 6795.75, and full target is 6822. That's the play.
Potentially, it could dip into this 5-minute FEG and still take off. So, still looks good.
Yeah, that's when I would add
Mm-hmm.
to the trade. I love this setup. This is like an ideal setup for me.
And for you, Nick, do you take is your take profit just like a fixed 2R, or do you look at
it's
different levels?
Fixed 2-1.
Yeah.
If I have room, of course. I do look at levels. So I don't have a fixed 2-1R. If I see there's like daily open at 1.5R, I'm not going to do that.
Yeah.
But if I see there's room, which there is room right now, then I'm definitely going for 2-1 fixed. I mean, I'm going for 18 points right now on ES, which is a lot. Actually, not quite. 17.25. Wait, where's my stop here? That's so weird. 22. Nice push up now. Actually, it is 22.
Cyriluki is asking why ES instead of NQ for your trade.
Hey, because of this right now.
Look at that push up.
Yeah, nice push. There we go. Love that. Clean. So why ES and not NQ? Because ES swept the range low and NQ did not. I like when it sweeps and goes. You could trade both technically, but that was a nice push. Our break-even point is 6813.25. So this is 1R, meaning we're going to move break-even as we usually do. And then 1.5R is at 6817.75. But I'll let you guys know. When we get there. If we get there, we're gonna move it, and I'll let you guys know.
Now I just had my bad news for you, Nick. But I just had my sweep of the previous 4-hour high on NQ. So that potentially means I could get a short setup. Sadly.
Why is that bad news for me?
I mean, because I'd be fading you.
So what? That might also be bad news for you.
True. Yeah, but I'm AI. I don't lose.
Bad news for me. For me, it's like I have my ideal setup. If I get stopped out on this, I don't care because I would trade this any day. And if I get my TP, I get my TP. So I'm very happy with this trade. It doesn't matter how it ends up, honestly.
Well, I'm potentially, if I get an inversion of this 1-minute FVG now, I will enter the shorts, but I will be a bit cautious. I don't really trust this. I mean, look at all this bullishness. Oh my goodness. We look on the higher time frame. This massive move, like all we've been doing this is Friday from 12. We have just been going higher and higher and higher. So we'll see what it likes to do.
Kirill, how do I set up if we could go to my screen really quick, how do I set up these lines on Project X? It's just Alt, like Option H. You can do that on TradingView as well. Whenever I press Option H, it creates a line. Very simple. These are not TPs. These are just lines, just visual reminders when I'm going to do what. I like to do that. I like to have everything very, very visually on my screen, so I can see when do I move break even. Like I have everything systematically laid out already before I even enter the trade, or like right when I enter the trade. Graphene, I told you, Longs. Did you take profit on your short though, Graphene? Sriluki's asking, what about lunch today, Celine? What did you have?
Oh, lunch today I had. What was I having? Oh, I'm like avocado, halloumi, and eggs for lunch
All right, nice.
on some toast. Have we ever asked Sriluki what they're having for lunch? Sriluki, what did you have for lunch?
I've had him. I've asked him multiple times already. Utsaf, no, I did not add on this trade because I didn't get my level. My level was 803 for an ad, and we only came down to 803.50. Unfortunate, but hey, I'm still happy to take. If this hits full TP, 17.5 points with one mini, that's still like what, 830 something dollars? Would it be nicer with two minis? Yes, but can't complain about
Money is
winning.
money.
Can't complain about winning, but we're not there yet. We're still far, far away. We could also turn around. We have swept the highs now. We could move down. We could hit our stop loss. Anything and everything could happen. But I'm very happy with the trade. It's an A+ setup for me. Very clean. Very clean.
Do you find like different days of the week, like a Monday, for example, you don't have as clean setups, or if you find is every day the same for your system for the model?
It depends. Like when we have like prior to big news days, prior to NFP or FOMC or CPI, etc. When there are less, like when the moves aren't as aggressive, I tend to go for 1 hours instead of 2 hours. But the system stays the system.
Yeah. I find Mondays are probably the worst day for me, but I still trade them. I know there's some people that just like won't trade Mondays because it's the first day of the week, or sometimes even Fridays, but I'm just always stay a little bit more cautious, I guess.
It's so funny. People who don't trade Mondays or Fridays or whatever because they say they don't want to start the week with a loss or end the week with a loss. I still think that is the most stupid reasoning you could have, because here's why. If you take
Yeah.
off Monday because you're afraid to start the week with a loss, well, guess what? If you take off Monday, then Tuesday is your first day. So if you're afraid to start
Yeah.
the week with a loss, then don't trade Tuesday. Okay, then don't trade Wednesday. Okay, then don't trade at all. It doesn't make any sense anymore, right? So that's why I treat every day the exact same. Do I like to end the week with a loss? No. But do I like to end it with a win? Yes, I do. Is the only way to get a win potentially getting a loss? Yes. Okay, so I got to trade.
Yeah. No, I feel you on that. It's like completely the same for me, because if I've lost on Thursday and then like an A+ setup happens on Friday and I miss it because it's Friday and I'm not trading, like I could have turned my week around. So yeah, I trade all the days. I'm just a little bit more cautious, I guess, but I'm still going to enter.
Yeah, no, that
I
makes
get this.
sense. You should always be cautious in trading, not just on Mondays and Fridays.
That is true.
So
Maybe just extra cautious.
your short setup that you're looking for, what do you need for confirmation?
Yeah, so for confirmation, I'd need an inversion of this 1 minute FVG. Are we on my charts? Let me just check.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. So I need a confirmation would be an inversion on the 1 minute now that we've swept, or we're potential sweep of the previous 4-hour high, now that we've traded above it and the 4-hour low is still intact. We've also swept previous day high, and we also have swept the previous 15-minute high. So now all I need is a 1 minute inversion, and then I'd be good to go. But if I don't get it within the next this 15-minute, then we wait for the new 15-minute candle to open, wait for that to sweep the previous 15, and then the same checklist has to happen again. The same, you need the 1 minute inversion and so on. So doesn't look like I'm going to get it in this 15-minute candle, so I will wait for the open at 4:45, see what we get.
All right. Let's see. Yeah, Kirill, 100% agree with you. If you see your setup, trade it. Doesn't matter which day it is. Fully agree. Yeah, ES is consolidating here around 4 points in profit, which honestly, I rather have consolidation in profit than consolidation at a loss, which I don't know. When that happens, it's just so annoying. And then it comes back to break even and goes back into loss and comes back to break even and goes back into loss. I'd rather have it this way.
Hey, JR Brow. So he's asking, what is your A plus setup, Celine? So A plus setup for me is a sweep of the previous 4-hour high into an FVG that's going. So for example, if I'm looking for shorts, an A plus setup is a sweep of the previous 4-hour high into a bearish fair value gap also. So a level like an FVG and an imbalance that would push price lower, and then also align with this the sweep of the previous 15-minute high along with a 1-minute inversion fair value gap. That is my A plus model, and then just targeting 2R with the stop at the high, the 15-minute high. But yeah, I did if you want to go back and see Friday's stream, I did take 2 trades on stream that were pretty much A plus. So yeah, we'll see if we get that today.
Let's see. Chat. Also, quick reminder, we are currently sitting at 181 likes. We need 390 today to do a 50K growth account giveaway. And I see there are 397 people watching. So if everybody just takes 1 second right now to smack that like button's face, then we would be there like super quick and we could do a giveaway. We need you to do the work though. Mike, I didn't take the trade on NQ. I took the trade on ES. As you can see on my screen, we're in an ES trade, 1 mini, and didn't take it on NQ.
Crime and punishment. Whoa, that's a lot of rules. Yeah, I've made it pretty strict on myself also, because when I first started trading, I didn't used to trade as mechanical, and it was sort of based on more discretion, like FVGs. And then I decided, like, to help me distinguish like a clean setup, I made it have to have strict rules. So it's only when this happens and only then can I trade. So it's, I mean, maybe the way I explained it sounds a bit like it's a bit confusing, but honestly, it's like the checklist is like 5 things. And if I get those 5 things, then I'm in. It's as simple as that. Gary, it's hard work hitting the like button. It's 1 button.
Yeah,
On,
well,
guys.
I know, Gary, for you that must be a lot. So I understand that you can't click it.
Andrea, I actually feel more comfortable trading shorts. I don't know. What about you, Nick? Like, what do you feel more comfortable trading?
Hey,
Do you have a
my
preference?
stats clearly shows I'm a bear. So
Oh, yeah.
if we go to my charts really quick, let's actually see on the 0 to hero account. I don't even know. Let's see. Oh, actually on the 0 to hero account it's 50-50. Trade
Oh,
direction
very
is
good.
6 shorts, 6 longs. Let's check on a funded account. Let's see what we got.
Dominic's saying he's a bear as well. I think we all must be.
For my funded, yeah, look at this. So funded account here, 32% long. So 17 shorts and 8 longs that I took on this. Way more shorts usually. Way more.
Yeah, I'm with you, Dominic, because they play out so much quicker, the shorts. It's always the case.
Yeah, I mean, as Miriam likes to say, bulls take the stairs and shorts take the window.
Bears are just jumping out the window.
Yep. But I also, like, if I see we have a clean long setup, I'm gonna trade longs, right? I'm not married to only shorts.
Yeah, same. I just feel like I have more luck with the shorts. I think the backtesting I've done also shows that. So yeah, when I have a short, I definitely don't hesitate.
I love this bull flag here on ES. This is potentially gonna explode here in a second.
Yeah, it looks like it's gearing up. It is.
Let's see. Yeah, fudge. I agree. Can play way faster. No gravity. Well, a lot of gravity actually. Hell Saint, am I break even? No, check the screen. I'm not break even. My break even point is 6813.25. Right now we're at 808.50. So I'm still 5 points away from moving to my break even. Future here. Hey Nick, Celine, do you still journal your trades? Yes, I do. I don't know about you, Celine.
Yeah, I still do. I think it's important because even if you think you're profitable, like you need to be journaling to make sure you actually are. Because when you look at the data, yeah, there's no room for error. So for sure, I still journal losses, wins. I've got my own template, but Tradeify also has the template. If you guys trade with Tradeify, which I hope you all do, there's a journal in your dashboard. So
Imagine you would watch Tradeify TV and you're not trading with Tradeify. Come on, Chad.
I hope you all are.
That would be
And I
some
hope
proper cockroach behavior there.
in fact, we should just ban you. No, that would be a bit harsh.
So
But
chat,
still.
let us know really quick. Who trades with Tradeify? Put a 1 in the chat if you trade with Tradeify. Gary, you're getting a ban for this. You're getting a 10-second
Gary.
timeout. Gary, 10-second timeout for Gary. Scratch Rich trading, same for you. Getting 10-second ban.
Ooh, there's a lot of you.
Hey, there's
That's
that
what we like to
push up
see.
on ES. Really love to see that. You can go to my charts, please. Thank you. Really nice push up out of this bull flag. Now, if we get the follow through, we should be at our break even point in no time. Hey, Market Maker Mario, what's up, man? How you doing? Lots of ones in the chat. Nice.
Nice.
Very nice.
Nice. Cryptoneer, welcome. Switched last week to Tradeify.
Welcome to the dark side.
Yes, welcome.
Nice push on ES. What did NQ do? Yeah, it kept pushing as well. Nice.
Looks good.
It does.
But yeah, with the journaling, I find that really switched up my trading definitely, because I think what happens when you don't journal is you take trades and you make mistakes and you just sort of like, I don't know about you, Nick, but like whatever, for me, I just thought, oh yeah, I won't do that again. But I think there's something that happens in your brain when you actually write it down and tell yourself like the error you made, or this
Oh,
was
100%.
outside of my session time, or this was like I obviously didn't follow my rules here. And that's when when you make yourself accountable, your trading just changes. I don't know. If you're not journaling, I suggest you all journal and you'll see the results. Trust me.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Market Maker Mario, you're in long since 8:30 Eastern time on ES. Nice. That is clean. 8:30. Let's see. So your entry was around 6,790. Sheesh. You're up 20 points.
Sheesh.
Nice. I'm writing this with you now. Clean push up on ES. We like that. As said, chat, 6,813.25 is my break even point. That's my 1 hour. So at that point, I'm going to move to break even plus 1 if we get there. It looks like it right now. Clean push out of this bull flag. Very nice.
Yeah, it looks like you're going to get there.
Yeah, JS, that also makes sense. Just record a loom after every session. That is especially fun because I did that in the beginning too. That's especially fun if you look at it like 2-3 years later. You're like, what the fuck did I think?
Yeah, I should do that. I haven't ever recorded a video, but that would be funny. I used to take notes though. I think sometimes I should go back and read my original notes when I was taking trades. Like, what was I thinking? It's funny.
Yeah, Market Maker Mario, you have with over 1,000 looms. Nice. That's awesome.
That's
Yeah,
awesome.
Loom is great. Let's see. There's a question in the chat. I'll actually ask you, Celine. Kevin is asking, how do you both handle revenge trading?
Well, with me, since I changed my way of trading, for me, revenge trading doesn't really exist in my mind. So I made my trading so systematic and mechanical that I wasn't taking stupid trades, that I'd make sure I was following a clear system. So then I wouldn't have this urge to get back into the market just because I took a loss. I had to develop a system for myself that would allow me to just trade simply based on a set of rules. And so that way, if I did take a loss, I told myself, well, it was still valid. So for me now, I don't see myself revenge trading. So to answer your question, I don't really have that in my psyche anymore. Like that idea, like I have to get back in, like I have to take the loss back. Like I really cleared that up just by clearing up my system. But definitely, like if you asked me a year ago, I would say I didn't have a handle on it, and taking losses would really suck. But and I just see myself like losing accounts and accounts. So yeah, to answer your question, I think clearing up my system, making it as mechanical as possible so that I didn't have those emotions take over my trading, really helped me. What about you, Nick?
Well, for me, honestly, I have a very systematic approach for trading, but I still get the urge to revenge trade sometimes. You know, like
Mm,
when I'm get bottom ticked or I get top ticked on something that I was right on, and then I have that immediate, feeling of anger. Sometimes it's rare, but it happens. And I think I will. Crazy that you lost that, Celine. That's actually very impressive, because I think for me personally, I will always have that, and that's okay as long as you know how to deal with that, right? And sometimes I do take a revenge trade, right? That still happens to me. However, in most cases, I realize it just soon enough to press that lockout button. That lockout button saves your life, man. It's literally like as
mm.
soon as you feel that urge to revenge trade, hit that lockout button, walk away, and get back at it the next day. But I still have the urge, and I still sometimes do take revenge trades. And I realize it once I took the revenge trade, and then I lock out too late, but not so late that I will blow my accounts because of that.
I think I wouldn't go as far as say like it's not there. It's just definitely, for me, I have the 2-loss rule as well. That's something I implemented into my trading. So I could get like 10 setups in a day, but if I take 2 losses, I'm out. So that's sort of like my lockout rule, I guess. That also helps because, yeah, I just had to also put a lock on myself, because there are obviously like where I'm human. Well, maybe not obvious, but
No, you're not
I
human.
am human,
Come on,
guys.
hey, chill out, Celine. You can't go that far, okay? Um,
Well,
software update really quick. You're not human. You're AI. Thank you.
maybe that's why I don't have revenge trading in my
Yeah, that's why.
that's why.
She's making trillions every day, guys. Trillions.
Maybe one day, Nick, you got to sell this AI chip and everyone can just be a bot
No,
trader.
it's mine. Yeah, future hero. That's why I like Project X as well. The lockout button is a lifesaver. I tell you that. 11 twice. Are you trading on Project X? Because if you lock out on Project X, you're locked out. You can't remove the lock.
Yeah, Tom says emotional journal alongside a technical one is amazing for learning your triggers and building a calmer mindset. I 100% agree. Also, like the whole side of journaling and really like speaking about your trades, even if it's like you don't have someone to speak about it to, just at least journaling, because you're still getting it out there and you can understand your thought process during your trades and stuff. That also definitely helps. Trading is a real psychology game. Like, honestly, you got to work on that psyche as much as you work on your trading. It's all one.
It's way more important than the actual trading.
Mm.
I mean, you could literally make money with almost any strategy if you know how to handle losses and how to let winners run.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, 11 twice, so much easier on Project X because you can actually lock yourself out and can't remove the lock. It's a good thing.
100% Roki. He says trading is a game, you versus you. 100%.
Surab, would I consider scaling in at the new change in state of delivery? Is there a new one about to come? Yeah, well, no, not really this one. If, look, on the 3-minute right now, if we get something like this, we get a sweep or tap into this fair value gap and then a change in state of delivery, yes, I would absolutely scale in, sorry. But if we just continue slowly, then no. So right now I'm just waiting for a strong push or pullback and then change in state of delivery. Are you still looking for shorts, Celine?
Yes, according to the system I am, but it doesn't look good. I will still take it though if I get it. So currently we've swept the previous 15-minute, but I'm waiting now for the 4-hour, the new hourly open, and we'll wait for a sweep of the previous 15 again, and then with a 1-minute inversion, I would be getting in. But until then, I am sitting out of this because I think it's going to go your way. Honestly,
All right.
I think we are pushing higher.
Sayed, how come the lockout button is not standard by every platform by now? I have no idea. It should be. It would be smart. Rari says, if your model is profitable, emotions don't come into play. That's not true. I disagree because my model is profitable. I'm consistently making money with trading, and still my emotions play a role in my trading. I think it's important to be honest with yourself regarding that, because somebody who has absolutely mastered emotions and doesn't feel anything, I think doesn't exist. Because at the end of the day, we're all human, except Celine.
Well, the other side, the human part of me agrees. I think like it's a bit of also like about the ego, guys. Like there's nothing wrong with taking a loss. You just have to say it isn't, even if like you take a few losses in a row, like that's definitely happened to me, but I feel like it's normal. It doesn't matter. I know there's a lot in the trading, like the fintech space, everything on Twitter you see, like that stuff doesn't play well into the emotions. But if you just simply isolate yourself and focus on you and your journaling and your trading, like losses become normal. It is a part of it. No one has a 100% win rate. That just doesn't exist.
Or at least not forever. For some time, you can have a 100% win rate. I mean, the zero to hero account had like a 100% win rate for 1.5 weeks. Can happen.
True.
But 100% win rate forever? Nope.
Nope.
Hey, nice push now. Almost at our break-even point. Chat.
Oh, that was a big jump in volume.
13.25 is what I need to move break-even, but we're very close. Very, very close. Yeah, Gary, 100% losing streak can also happen, right? But at the end of the day, that is a 9 a.m. volume coming in right now, by the way. UK 9 a.m. volume. But at the end of the day, all you got to remember is that will pass, as well as the 100% win rate will pass. Let's see if we get a continuation play here. That would be very nice. I think so. The way it looks right now, I think so.
Looks like Smiler's in the longs with you too. Oh, NQ long. NQ long.
Yeah, NQ longs would have paid with 1 mini. All right, we did hit our break-even point, chat. So worst case right now, we make what now? $12.50. Hey, actually, no, not true. $25. 25.
Hey.
So next milestone for this trade is 6,817.75. That is when we would move our stop to 1R, which is 6,813.25. And this definitely helps to be way less emotional in trades. Like in a trade like this, I literally don't feel anything because I have everything laid out. I have my 1R target, I have my stop loss, I have my 1.5R, I have my 2R, and whenever it hits the line, I move my stop. That's it.
Yeah.
It's very
I think it's the same for me. I think if I visualize it before I'm in the trade, like I said, you've got the levels set, you know exactly where you're going to go break even, like exactly how you're trading. Like that is ideally a good trader because there's none of that emotion and decision making whilst you're in the trade. It all happens before you get in. And then whilst you're in it, you literally just have to sit there, hands off the mouse, let it play out. I think that's the best way.
Yep. Chat, reminder, we need 390 likes to do a 50K growth account giveaway. We're right now sitting at 274. So we still need 116 more likes, and we're 440 people watching. So easily doable.
Come
You just need to
on.
smack that like button's face. Come on. It's easy. It's free. It is fun. It's the best thing you can do on a Monday. Do it now.
And you get the chance to win a free account with Tradeify. That is the point, right?
Yeah, and you
Who
can
doesn't
use
want
that
a free
account.
account?
You can use that account on Project X if you want. So then you can lock yourself out if you do stupid stuff. Yeah, market maker Mario, that's actually a good strategy, honestly. I've done that a lot too in the past.
Also me. Looking at the charts though, for me, I'm still waiting for, so we have the new hourly open now, and I would need to now get a sweep of this previous 15, which the level on NQ is at around, call it 25,540. So if I get a sweep up there, I'd then definitely be interested in looking for shorts. Just a bit of a retracement, because if we zoom out, we have just had this massive push up, and I would love to get a piece of just a little retracement. And then obviously for you, Nick, would love for it to keep pushing higher. But
how much would you, like, let's say you take shorts, you get your setup, you take shorts. How many points would you go for?
Well, that depends on, I don't have like a fixed amount of points that I'd go for, but basically I set my stop at the high, the high, whatever that swept the previous 15. So say it's the current high, I just take 2R off that. So it'd be like 32 points.
Got it.
Which is I think yeah, pretty usual for a London trade on the Nasdaq.
The Nasdaq. I'll put NQ on the screen here as well, chat, so you can see it. The NQ.
The empathy settings on the Celine bot are impressive.
Yeah, right?
Nick did something in the code, I think.
I worked a lot on this. That's why we weren't ready to release her for like a month, you know? I wanted it to be good.
Hey, RVHZ says, shorts might be coming for you, Celine. I just spoke to the higher ups to wait for Nick to go to break even and then the dip. Thanks.
And then the dip. Okay.
That's what we like to see.
Yeah, Nitin. First edition of Zero to Hero was brutal. I took so many losses, literally loss after loss after loss after loss. But the second edition so far is going way better. Way better. Actually, I just realized if this trade hits full TP, we would be $400 away from passing.
You may as well just push it.
That
Maybe
is
fund it.
That is exactly the mindset that kills accounts.
That extra $400. No, I know.
And then it reverses and stops you out. And then you're like, oh, I should have taken profit.
No. But that's exciting. You might be getting funded this week.
Maybe. Let's see.
We'll see.
So
maybe I just jinxed
full
it.
TP up here. Full TP will be $875. I said the next milestone for this trade is 6,817.75. That is when we're going to move our stop to 1R, which is at 6,813.25. Right now, my stop is still at break even plus 0.5, which is 6,805. So many numbers, damn. Pankaj, how do you deal with when a profitable trade turns back to break even? Well, you just accept it. I mean, this one right now, we're up $450 at this very moment. It could be that it turns around and goes break even. That's okay, because I follow the exact same system with every trade. I move break even at 1R, I move to 1R at 1.5, and then I take full profit at 2R. So nothing special, just follow the system. Are you going to get pissed? Absolutely. If this turns around now and it hits my break even, I'm going to be pissed, 100%. But I just have to accept it, because otherwise I'm going to mess it up even more. Doodle Capital, can I show you the leaderboard for the cup? Hell yeah, I can. Here you go. Right now, we have DJP. Actually, let me refresh. on Team Tradeify TV, we have DJP rank 1 with 23K in profit, CK Trades with 72K, and then Process Driven Turtle, love your name, with 19K in profit. Gary still 4th place with 13K in profit, but I'm assuming you're still in your long, Gary. Overall leaderboard, number 1, Presley, is $83,000 in profit. So current account balance is like 133K. Rennie with 69K in profit, and then Michael with 67K in profit. That's really impressive. That is really impressive.
Those numbers are outrageous, but I mean, good job, the guys who are still in. If you guys are in the chat to the top 3 at the moment, you guys are still up there, still killing it. So keep it up.
Hey, what's up, GHXST? How you doing, man? Krishna, you locked in your payout today with an NQ long? Nice. Well done. Well done.
Ooh. Hey, Keeper of Candles, Celine and Nick, do either of you disregard technical trade setups if they do not align with fundamentals and wider market narrative? Good question. I actually will still take my setup regardless of what's happening in the news. Even if like we get bad news, good news, I will still take whatever direction my signal tells me. So to answer your question, yeah, I do disregard I don't disregard the technical trade based on fundamentals. I don't know about you, Nick. Do you look into things like that?
I gotta read this question again. Do either of you disregard technical trade setups? No, not really.
For me, I still take the trade.
Yeah, me too. MMXM, is there a leaderboard bug? No, there shouldn't be. Not that I know of. Sayed, what criteria do I follow to cut my trades? I don't cut my trades early. I just let them run to stop loss. Like very rarely I do cut them when I see that it turned into a bearish setup that I would actually take for shorts. Then I would cut them. But usually it's I just let them run to stop loss. Where are we at with the like count? Let me refresh chat. We're sitting at 303 likes right now. We need 87 more. We have 20 minutes to go. So better hit that like button, guys. 87
Come
more
on,
likes.
guys.
We want to give you a free account, but we can't if you don't give us the likies.
And do it for Nick. He's might be taking a W on stream.
Maybe.
Come on, chat.
I mean, I will take a W. It could just be that it's only $25.
Either way, it's a W. That's true.
We're not losing money today. That's a fact. Still up $425 on this. I hope we can get at least to 17.75 because then I could set my stop where we are right now, which would be a $400 win. So what did you want to say? Sorry.
Yeah, that would be nice. I am just saying that I did get the sweep of the previous 15-minute high. But another part of my rules actually is that if the sweep doesn't happen within how do I best explain this? So like the first 10 minutes of that 15-minute candle, if we don't get the inversion within those 10 minutes, then I look to the next 15-minute. So technically, if the move hasn't happened, so that idea of like accumulation, manipulation, distribution, if we don't have that distribution within the first 10 minutes, which would be like the inversion fair value gap for me on the 1 minute, then I'm not trading. So right now it is in Eastern time for 11. So I'm now waiting for the new 15 to open up, hopefully sweep higher, which for you, Nick, would be awesome. We sweep higher and then yeah, looking again. So it's just this like repetitive, keeps looking for this setup until 6. So that's what I'm looking at the moment.
All right. Let's see. If we could go to my screen now, we already did. Nice. So we can see the trade play out. Whenever Celine enters her trade, then obviously we're going to switch over, but chat, what do you think? Are we going to reach at least 1.5 R on ES, which is 6817.75, or are we going to get stopped out at 6805 for break even? What do you think, chat? Put 1.5 R or SL in the chat. What do you think? Graphene says full TP. Okay, I like that.
Let's go.
I like that.
I think you'll get it. I think we should be going higher from here.
6K says we're going to 7K. Well, hopefully. Peter says 1.5 R. Manfred says stop loss. Come on, Manfred.
There's
Polo,
always one in the chat.
there's always one. Polo full TP. Okay. 1.5 R, 3.5 R Stormlord. Ooh, that would be massive. I'll get stopped out at 2 R anyways. Or I take TP, I should say. See, everybody's saying that we're going to go higher now. That moved the market, you see? It's great.
That's true. Look at the volume. Hey, Gary, you still in the longs? By the way?
I think he is. I think he is. He's up 6K.
Up 6K.
Nice.
Nice.
So what are you saying now about your 100% losing streak? It's not true. Yeah, there's a lot of room actually. I agree with you guys, but for me, like going for a 17.5 point trade on ES during London session is massive. Are we gonna be 30 points higher when New York opens? Maybe. Do I care about that? No. I don't have to catch the full move, guys. I only have to catch my crumbles of the pie. I don't need much, you know. $875. I took this on all my accounts, so $875 across 40 accounts. Do the math.
Sheesh. That's some nice sushi for dinner.
That would be some nice. I'm actually gonna have sushi today for lunch.
Oh, are you?
Surprise,
Oh, nice.
surprise.
You know, that's a good point. Like not being so focused and picking the whole direction of the day, or like being with the overall trend, because you can still make money in these markets by shorting. You just have to take a piece of it, and then it could continue higher or it could dump. But
Yep.
yeah.
Well, Suri, I haven't leaked what kind of sushi. I'm gonna let you know once we open New York. Paolo, my fill was 6804.50 on the ES longs. Eskil, I use TradeSyncer as my copy trader. Tim trades. You know me, man. You know me.
Ghost Trader, Celine, what's your model that you trade? If you can tell us an overview. I feel like I've gone over it so many times, but you guys are probably so bored. But basically, it's just it plays off the 4-hour PO3. So it just looks for. So for example, now we've traded higher. We've swept the previous 4-hour high. It needs to align with also a previous 15-minute high sweep, and then the entry is based off a 1-minute inversion FVG, and that's the confirmation that there is some sort of displaced volume in the opposing direction to be the distribution. So yeah, if I get a setup, hopefully it's a lot easier when I can trade it and explain and talk through it. But yeah, pretty much if you understand PO3, or you might call it AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, basically it just trades like a reversal system like that in London.
Chat, we just approached our 1.5 R, so I moved my stop to 1 R. Worst case, we make $437.50. Nice push up now. I'm going to move my stop to 1.5 R because I'm not going to lose out on this. 66250 is the worst case scenario.
Come on, chat. So you got to smash the like now for Nick, because that is a killer trade. Nice trade.
Thank you. Let's see if we can get the final push. If not, I'm happy with 66250.
Say it. I'm not even going to read that comment. It's just funny.
The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Hey, chat, we're cooking here.
Oh, nice. Ghost Trader, it trades as daily PO3. You can definitely apply PO3 to all time frames, for sure. Come
Let's see,
on.
what are we up now? 15 points on ES. That's good. 17.5 is the full target at 6.822. If we pull back to 17.75, I'll get stopped out for 1.5 hour. Happy with that too.
Still a good trade, but I think you're going to get there.
Yeah, I think so too. I do think so too. This candle was nice.
Yeah, some nice volume in that. Wow.
Giuseppe, yeah, that's right. That is right. I agree with you. I appreciate you all that we did this poll like a couple weeks ago. I asked the chat back then, should I take more trades to be in trades, or should I just stick to A+ setups? And they said A+ setups, and since then,
Nice.
literally been cooking. Cooking, guys, cooking.
That's the way, chat. That's why Team TV is going to come out on top in the Grand Cup, is
Well,
we're all
at this
disciplined
very
traders.
moment, that's not looking too hot, but
Hey, we can still get there. We can still come back.
that's true. Let's just say at this
Gary,
moment.
Gary, I'm rooting for you. Okay? Just keep sizing in. No, don't.
Suriluki, why 6.822? Because that's my 2R. I rarely ever go for more than 2R. I must have super high conviction. And the thing is, right now, I see there is more room, right? There is technically more room, but I don't see any significant level that we're hunting except New York high from Thursday. But that would mean we need to go like freaking 30 points higher or 25 points higher. And I don't think that's going to happen. So that's why I fixed 2R. At least not without a pretty big pull, guys. Pullback. Pull, guys. That's what happens when you read and speak at the same time. Chat, let me refresh the like count really quick. Like count is 332. Chat, we need 390. Come on. Give us 390.
Come on.
I want to give you guys a free account, but we can only do that if we hit 390 likes.
Come on, chat. I agree, Corey. We got to ban him. Ban Pat for
Hey, full
bringing up
TP, chat.
Woo!
Money gun time. Here you go. Whoop, whoop.
Nice trade.
There you go.
Now everyone has to smash that like button because Nick just hit a killer trade on ES.
That's a good reason. That's a really good reason.
Come on, guys.
Nice. All right. We made $869 on this. We are $366 away from being funded on the Zero to Hero challenge account. Hell yeah. Nice. I'll take that.
Really good. So what was the total points that you caught?
17.5 on ES.
Jeez, that's a lot.
With one mini. Yeah, it's a pretty big trade for ES, especially during
Big
London session. That's why I say
Yeah.
like having a hard 2-hour target is completely sufficient with like 17.5 points. Is great.
Yeah. Now, where are we at with the likes, chat?
Oh, let me refresh. Let's see. 349. We're close, guys. 41 more.
Come on.
41 more. Smack.
And you know what I love to see? Potential short setup for me now that you just took that TP.
Okay. Yeah, let's make both money in both directions. Let's do it.
Let's see.
Chat, I'm going to log out of the Zero to Hero challenge account here. Not going to trade that anymore for today. My funded still Absolutely, we'll still trade those. Gotta set up the trade copier different now. There we go. Hey, we're up 4K on the funded accounts. All 150K growths, 5 of them are at 4K in balance. So I need 2.6K, I think. More. 2.6K more for payout.
Nice. Love that. I need a lot more. But I'm
Well,
getting there.
you gotta get the evals passed first. But you started later than I did. I think.
True.
When did you start your evals?
Probably only 2 weeks ago.
Okay. And I full ported those evals. I went with 10 minis.
Oh yeah, I mean, I know that's what you technically, like, to pass evals quickly, it's a good idea, but I've just been trying to take it a bit slower. But hey, I am getting a setup. If this this 1 minute FEG inverts here in 1 second, yep, I got this set up.
Kirill, yeah, with Tradeify you can only have 5 accounts. I also only have 5 accounts with Tradeify.
So I am in the shorts, guys. I am in these shorts.
Ooh, okay, nice. Nice. Let's get it.
So let's see. I'll just set up my TP.
Hey, Stormlord, nice. Congrats. Very nice. JK1, my TP was 6822, and it seems like this was the best possible place to put my TP. Mike is asking, Celine, what's the setup for shorts? Can you walk them through?
Absolutely. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm just setting my TPs in, and then I will take you through 509.50. And okay. All right. Producer, if we can just switch charts for a sec, because I just need to log into my.
Yeah, we're
just
online.
realized I'm not logged into
ahead.
Tradeify. Okay. I will just log in. Okay, cool. We can switch back. So setup is we have swept previous 4-hour high, or well, potential sweep, because we haven't closed sweeping, but we have traded above it. Then we have a sweep of the previous 15-minute and an inversion on the 1 minute FEG here. So I'll just show you. This is the 1 minute FEG, bullish FEG that we inverted. So for me, that is my signal for entry, because it basically tells me that there's been volume there with bears pushing the price down. So I just market order off that and then aim for a 2R. And in this trade, I am short on 2 minis. So 1 mini, I will be taking 1 contract off and then closing the rest out for the full 2R. And
right. How big is your stop?
20 points. So I'm going for 40 points, which is a bit of a big move. But as long as if I can even get 1R and take some money there, I'll be going break even.
All right.
But we'll see.
Suriluki, when giveaway? Well, when we reach the like goal. We're at 362, chat. We need 18 more likes. Actually, not true. We need 28 more likes. So if you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button's face. Do it right now so it's done and we can do a giveaway. Come on, we don't have much time left, chat. We don't have much time left.
That would be a sad day to take a W on that stream and you guys don't get a free account. And
hey, I mean, it's a sad day for them, not for us.
Very true. Guys, come on. Show Nick some love. He took a banger trade. And I thought you guys would want a free account. I
thought so too.
That's what I thought.
That's what
Maybe
I
we're
thought
wrong.
too. We're at 369. Chat, 21 more. 21 more. Actually, if we could stay on Celine's screen because she's in a trade, that would be nice. Thank you. Let's see. Well, it looks like we literally top ticked that TP. I love that. Chat.
I love that. If I get this TP and Nick, you got the TP, obviously, this would be killer London stream, guys.
Yep. 13 more likes and we're going to do a giveaway. We're so close, chat. So close.
Push that like button.
Do it now.
Do it. Do it or else.
Or else. Or else I'll unleash the AI.
You don't want to see that.
Like button ASMR. Yeah, 11 twice. Tell them you gotta press the thumbs up button below the stream, not the heart button in the chat. There's some confusion about that sometimes. There is some confusion about that. Mihailo, can I explain why I entered my long previously? Actually, if you go back in the stream to the very beginning, I explained it there. I explained it even before the setup happened. I said exactly what I'm looking for, and then pretty much executed exactly that. So just go back in the stream. We're 3 likes away, chat. We're close. 3 likes away. Oh, one like away. 1 like away, chat. All right, I'm already going to explain the rules because I know we're going to get there. All you got to do to participate in this giveaway, we're going to give away a 50K growth account. You have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I send the link to the Google form in the chat, you fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you fill it out more than once, I just saw that Ozempic already entered it, and he put enter code ketchup for 10% off. Ozempic, if you get picked as the winner, you're going to get 2 accounts. So then fill out that Google form, but only do it once, because if you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. Here's the link to the form. I'm going to post it like freaking 5 times, 10 times, whatever. But only fill it out once. If you fill it out more than once, you get disqualified. Here you go. We're going to pick a winner in 1 minute. So you got to be fast with filling this out, okay? Got to be very fast, chat.
Let's go. Looks like might be going break even soon on this.
Nice. Yeah, it's playing out nicely so far.
Well, let's see.
Chat, you have 30 more seconds to fill out the form. Then we're going to pick a winner. Winner, winner, winner. Let's see.
Dun, dun, dun. Looks like some of you already entering. Quick, guys. One more minute.
Most of them have already entered. We already have 250 people in there. 260.
So they're quick to fill it out, but not so quick to hit the like button.
Yeah,
I see.
it's always the case. Honestly, it's
I
always
see.
the same thing. So chat, the timer is up. So we're going to pick a winner for our 50K growth account giveaway. Let me copy everybody over. Oh, some people just slid in right now. I'll still copy you guys over. If we can go to my screen really quick so we can see the giveaway. There we go. The Wheel of Names, our good old beloved, trusted Wheel of Names. It's going to spin. Whoever it lands on, if that person didn't fill it out more than once, will get a 50K growth account. Let's see who that winner is. The winner is Duckling S7D7K.
Woo!
Woo! Let's go. Duckling,
Let's
make sure
go.
to type something in the chat. Ideally, tag me so I can see it. Duckling, where are you at? Where are you at? 6K says, "Grats, Ducky." Come on, Duckling S7D7K. Where are you at? Hey, there he or she is. Congrats.
Yay.
Make sure you add your your profile pic is really cute. Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description so we can reach out to you via email and send you your free account. Please give us up to 7 days for that. Usually it's faster, but background Nick is working a lot, so give him some time. Thank you and congrats. All right, Celine.
Congratulations.
What are you going to do with this trade now? Walk them through, because we're going to end the stream here shortly, and I want to let them know what your thoughts are and what your plan is.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. So if I hit this, so this contract here at 25,529 is my 1 hour. So if we hit that, I will be going break even on the trade and then just letting the rest run out for 2 hours. So until then, I am not touching this. Potentially could just reverse here and take me out, but that's okay because I've accepted the risk. So I will update you guys on my social media. I will do a post on Twitter and my Instagram and let you know how it plays out. But yeah.
All right, awesome. Chat, put a W in the chat if you loved today's stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated it. But I hope you didn't. I hope you found some value in it because we love doing the show for you. And you showing up and being funny in the chat means the world to us. It's really cool. So if you are awake during the New York session, then make sure you tune in to the 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time New York stream. I think, not 100% sure, but I think Miriam is back today. So that should be fun. And then tomorrow again, 8 a.m. UK time.